Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I'll be introducing you to PHP variable scopes. A variable scope basically refers to the context in which the variable is defined. So when you declare or create variables, you can do that anywhere within a script, a PHP script. The scope of the variable is the part of the script where the variable can be referenced or used. So it refers to the context within which it is defined. Also, when you create variables in PHP, you don't have to tell PHP the data type of the variable. PHP will automatically convert the variable to the correct data type depending on its value. So whatever value you give your variable, PHP will use that to convert it to the correct data type. PHP has three different variable scopes. The first is the local scope. A local scope basically refers to a variable that has been defined inside a function. A function basically is a special function that does specific tasks. Or a function is a script that's used to perform a specific task. So if you declare variables inside those functions, they are referred to as local variable and they are available within the local scope. On the other hand, we've also got what is known as a global scope, which are variables that are declared outside of a function. So any variable declared outside the function is referred to as a global variable scope. And we've got another scope referred to as static scope. The static variable type only exists inside a local variable scope. So when you're referring to a static scope, it also refers to a local function. So a static variable will exist only in a local function scope. This is how variables work normally. When you declare variables and they're used in a function, for example, once a function has executed the script, all its variables are deleted. However, there are times that we want the local variable to keep its value. We don't want it to be deleted. We may need that to do a further piece of job or something. That is what is referred to as a static scope, because after the function has been executed, the local function, the value of the variable is not discarded. So when the program has finished execution and leaves, the actual variable doesn't get destroyed, the value is retained. That's what's called a static scope. So I'll be covering each of these scopes in separate lectures. Many thanks for watching and bye for now.